prefer this. Okay, all the various categories I created. So how do I actually did it? I actually create an idea list. Okay, I created an idea list. So for example, the idea list, for example, I want office chairs. Okay, you can write some description, or if not, I just leave it. And then you go and add products. Okay, now you can actually look at your orders. If ordered chairs or any other things that's related to that category, you can just click your orders or your browse history and all that browsing history. You know, you can use there's a new AI. It's called Inspo AI. Okay, I'll just stick with office chairs and see, click on get inspired. Okay, the AI will find the best products for you. Let's see the outcome. By the way, sometimes the AI is not working well. I try it. Okay, today I think it's okay. Uh, yeah, so I'll just take some of them office chairs. Just take all this. This is support pillow. This is not really office chairs. So, okay, then I'll just click done. Okay, done. Then I will add some more. I'll ask AI again, office chairs. Maybe I'll just put there top search. Yeah, top search. Then click get inspired. Nothing. Mm, search results. So the AI is not really that intelligent. Find the Amazon AI. So sometimes when I type certain thing like some words, right, it will not show anything at all. Yeah, so it's a bit limited. And that's when I type certain brands, the AI didn't find the brand at all. Some well-known brands. So as for now, this is the only way to add the products in office chairs. You have to manually one by one go and prompt the AI office chairs. Let's say cost more than $100. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. Let's see today how the AI works for the office chairs. Not working. Office chairs 100. Okay, finding. Okay, let's see whether it's working. So I find, I think Amazon need to improve their AI. This is pillow, not a chair. So it's a bit limited, the result. Okay, so the one by one we'll go and manually find and then add the product. Now I think I find the function is a bit limited. I can't actually search the whole like Amazon website. For example, I go to Amazon website and then I click the icon, the product, and add to the store. There's no such feature. I hope Amazon will have it soon. Yeah. Okay. So now how do I save this list? Okay. Click on submit. Okay, before that, right, I just want to let you know because when I first started, right, I just tried one product and then I tried to submit, right? It didn't submit because it's grayed out. The submit button is grayed out. So what is the problem? The problem is you need to have actually at least two products in your idea list in order for the submit button to appear. Okay, at least two products. Okay, now I can click on submit. Okay, your idea list, wait for it to approve, then you will see it. Okay, wait for it to approve, then you see. Let me go to my Amazon store and see is it instantly approved. No, it will take a while. I think I'm not sure that they're using AI to approve or a human person to approve, but generally this is how to do the idea list to create your list of categories like this. Let me refresh again. Okay, yeah, got it. Office chairs. Now it's approved. Okay, office chairs. Can add some more. Uh, okay, so this and then all this has the details. When people click on it, this is a quick view. They can add the card or they can click on sales details. Okay, so there's already a affiliate link. I can see it from my link here. Yeah, it's already a affiliate link. And whenever people click on the product to buy, yeah, I will earn some commission. So that's how it works to get the Amazon influencer store front of my own shop. Okay, my own shop is quite easy. Yeah, and then photos. I tried actually creating some photos. I uploaded the post like this. This is an example of how it is. Okay, for the post. So basically, I upload the photo, and then yeah, the product will auto show here. I haven't tried the video yet. Maybe when I have time, I will do the video. So basically, the photo is actually just now the first portion. This one, post the photo. I did this, and I also did this. Okay, post photos, post photos. Yeah, this one. Okay, so that. Okay, then there's also live stream. I haven't tried the live streaming yet. Okay, it's part of video. You can do live streaming. Okay, live streaming. So that's it. You can take a look at the public view. Public view is this. The one I show you guys. Photos, idealists, things like that. Okay. Yeah.